Wagwan my viewers, welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. Some people, Bossy, they done for Homestead, pack him bag and run gone through the border. Plus, Grabba, drop on him face a Parental and Jay, get lick off a bike and Dr. Peter Wellington, drop out me I tell you no more people, so no pre this.
Where you come from? Yeah. Hey, listen to me. Who you married? Where this come from? Eh? Me say I jail me I say, you know. I approve school, you know. You understand? Prove school you go come in. Me not tolerate you with this. Young people this, you know. You understand?
When you see our demo viewers, we need more mothers like this boy, you know. For see the signs them, you know, from early, you know, and take it up in hand, you know. Cause you no notice what go on right there, so. I see mama say, you know, her son a walk with mass, you know, with gang name pan it, you know. And I ask him a what go on right here, so you know, from early. She ready for carry him go down a station and for go lock him up approved school for make him know so she not go through this. She not go run up and down with no courthouse and no tranquility and no modern settings. So as I say my people, a lot of mother out there know say them son involved in a certain thing, but them turn a blind eye until when them son marrow get splash out, or till when them see them son pitch up on a blog channel, then at them time they know them a ball and a talk about them son innocent when them they don't know what go on already. So as I say, mama, big up yourself, yeah, do the right thing, draft him up in hand. You nah go make no done, use a youth as no crash dummy, and have him a walk up and down boy ya program him, and then as him marrow get splash out, you have to go fork out and spend up the money. So my people, walk with me no, moving on, you know. See that youth you wanna see on the screen, him name Grabba, and him forward from over in a Parental, and the man them pull up on him foot, and I never fi buy no Grabba. Rub the man them rub him out like Grabba me I tell you no more people. 9 ball in a head and in a chest. Drop him flat pan him face. And talk and make a road to the youth a Bossy brother, you know. They done for Homestead, you know, we pack him bag. And run we gone left thick man right now through the border. Viewers, some man they will realize what go on boy, you know. Squaddy them no depend no carrying settings, you know. Once as the man them pull up enough on no foot, you know. A dead pan spot. Picture send gone a road and them a go laugh off enough for una and say, see me, think him did have 9 life. Swear say him did bad. No 9 ball that hooks out him forehead and him face. So as I say my people, youth you wanna see on the screen now name Grabba. Him a Bossy brother. Done for Homestead. We take up for himself and run we gone and see it there. Him run we gone and the man them make sure full up him brother with bacon. So my people, walk with me again now. See that youth you wanna see on the screen. Him name Jay, forward from Manchester. And them lick the youth off our bike. Me I tell you now, 3 pints gone. But people, you no notice what go on boy ya. Eh? How the place curse? The place need blood. Every other day so. If I know 9 ball in a head a crash settings. So as I say my people, Jay lose film life. And we go walk on again, moving on again. See me, the Sergeant, Dr. Peter Wellington, drop out me I tell you no more people due to a illness. Viewers, the man me I tell you no, serve the Mandeville Regional Hospital from 1976 to 2015 me I tell you no. The man did dedicated to him work, dedicated to him patient them, love what him do. And see it, my people, the man drop out, pass and gone right now and everybody miss the man. Family member, long time co-worker them. Everybody can't believe, but as I always say, all that we have to go in our life, you know. Not for we to speed up the process, not for we take a little while, and not for we are going to live long until we're old and grey. So my people, my condolences to Dr. Peter Wellington. As I say, him serve well at the Mandeville Regional Hospital from 76 to 2015. Good work the man do me and tell you no more people. So no see man like them, we have to big them up. We have to heal them up. We have to take off we hat to them. Whole heap of life him save. When you hear that my viewers. So my people, as we see a go on boy, you know. Gang war take over the place, you know. And the new commissioner say him nah go have it, you know. I drop on face settings enough, man, you know. So I don't say thick man them a go on with over in a Spain town. A time do the thing, man. You know hear that, my people. Film time a come, man. But him never see it yet. See Bossy there, done for Homestead pack film bag. Cause him done smell the rat already. And don't know where go on already. So my people, until next time, I wanna stay safe out there. Protect for the tree. You see me?